Hey everyone, my name is Lauren and I'm a software engineer here to talk to you about using media queries with CSS to create a responsive website. Responsive design is how a website can change its look from mobile to desktop, and is extremely important in today's world where customers are most likely viewing your website on their mobile device, and you want it to be a smooth experience. So you can see here on Shopify, great example of the nav bar changing from mobile to desktop, as well as some of these main elements. And all of this is done with one simple line of code, a media query. Alrighty, let's get started. So I've created a simple website here with the HTML and CSS that you can see on the side. And what I want to have happen is when this website gets smaller, I want the background color to change. And I'm going to do that with a media query. So I'm going to scroll to the bottom of my CSS here, and I'm going to add my media query. And the code is quite simple. You will do @media, screen, and you'll set your max width. We can do 600 pixels for this example. And then I'm going to change my main background color. Let's make it pink. And I'm going to save that. And now when I make my website smaller, the background color change will be pink. And this is such a powerful tool that you can use to create all sorts of different designs from mobile to desktop for your website.